a table there, whether the horse slipped a little bit, it got a little spooky, and she knows something's not quite right, so she's going to call it a day. Wise decision for her. There was a lot more to jump after that.
Well, Emma Klugman for Australia is away with Sleeve Callan Alpha. Dressage score 35.6, 10-year-old by Porsche. Courage the second. Neve Ennis, the breeder, owned by Nicholas Cardamone Velez. And they come to the main arena.
Here we can watch our screens or watch the live action right out in front of us. So anybody that's over by the trade stands, the fairs, can grab a coffee, sneak over, watch these horses gallop beautifully through the main arena, and then head back for your shopping. Little underneath that brush there is a big long horse. We have another one spooking out of the arena.
Big roller coaster there, 19.
As we've got Emma coming around down to this big pumpkin table at the bottom of the hill, pops up around that.
Can I just say I feel so much better now knowing that someone else does that and I'm not just the only one.
If anybody would like to come to our booth for some confessions, we're here behind the black
the
Magna
New Wave
Wave
and Tyson's Test.
And other than Selena's horse, the horses have been riding that quite well. Ian, you can see on the right there, he gave two options, the left skinny or the right skinny. And we've seen everyone take the left skinny. When I walked it, that's what my eye was drawn to as well. But it really comes down to personal preference when you walk that line, what you see out in front of you.